By reading an ultrasound report saying you have polycystic ovaries does not mean you have a polycystic ovarian syndrome. Every second person walking into my clinic says I have PCOS. Today I'm going to come and tell you what exactly is PCOS. Namaste. Polycystic ovarian syndrome, PCOS. Now everybody is diagnosing PCOS. Every second person walking into my clinic says I have PCOS. When I'm asking them what are their symptoms, most of them are not being able to tell. So today I'm going to come and tell you what exactly is PCOS and what are your symptoms. When can you approach a doctor or you think that you can have PCOS? Basically PCOS comprises of three things. First is irregular periods. It means you have an ovulatory dysfunction. Ovaries में कुछ problem है जिसके वजह से आपके periods बराबर नहीं आते हैं. You may have prolonged periods. 3-3, 4-4 महीने के लिए आपके period नहीं आ रहे, फिर जब आ रहे हैं तो 1-1 महीना के लिए जा रहा है, बहुत heavy bleeding हो रही है. This is one symptom, irregular period. Usually periods if you have PCOS, your periods are not going to be painful. So that is one thing. Second is hirsutism. Hirsutism comes, or rather I would put it as hyperandrogenism. मतलब females में थोड़े male factors का ज़्यादा होना, which means that आपको acne हो सकता है, pimples, body में बाल ज़्यादा growth हो सकती है. You may have beard like growth ना, coarse thick hair on your face. You may have a little bit excessive hair on your breast region, back, on your stomach region. And then the third part is polycystic ovaries, meaning on an ultrasound you have been diagnosed that your ovaries have polycystic ovaries. Now to understand that every woman is going to have those cysts. It is a part and parcel of your cycle, and if you don't have these small follicles and cysts, our eggs are not going to be formed and we are not going to get pregnant. But when they become a little bit abnormal, and if the size and position is abnormal, the same thing becomes a polycystic ovary. So not everybody is going to have polycystic ovary, but everybody is going to have those follicles and cysts in their ovary. You have to be very careful. Just by reading an ultrasound report saying you have polycystic ovaries does not mean you have a polycystic ovarian syndrome. For that you need to go to your doctor and you need to verify and get yourself checked. Part and parcel of this is something which is very common, is obesity. All of these problems can be rectified if you lose weight and maintain a healthy lifestyle. So obesity is a very major player for the cause of you having polycystic ovarian syndrome. There are other things like your genetic lines and the environmental factors, etc. But yes, obesity is one of the main factors.